In today's video, I'm going to be sharing an Easter background collab that I did with my friend Doll Fairy Crafter. So please check out her video and don't forget to subscribe. So for my Easter background, I decided to go with kind of like a farmhouse slash pastel vibe, and I think I did pretty good. Here is a video of the doll sitting in it, and I think it looks so cute. I love all the pink. I may end up breaking it up a little bit because the rug is actually a bedding set because I could not decide on flooring. So I decided to throw this down, and I don't know, maybe too much pink, but I still think it's really cute. The items that you see in here, a lot of them were handmade. The little chair used to be a phone holder from Dollar Tree, and I made it into just a normal chair. I recovered an old couch that I had, made some more Eastery pillows. Some of them are reversible, so I can switch out the patterns. And then I made a little shelf of knickknacks. Now I made a lot of knickknacks. My favorite is the bubblegum machine. I think it came out pretty cute. It is tiny, but you know those little tiny ones you can get at Dollar Tree? I was thinking about that when making it. I also made this like worn sign. It was a pain. I made it like 10 times. I tried transferring printer paper onto the popsicle stick, so that was a learning experience. I also added some little pom-poms on some thread to make it look like a what are they called, banner or something? Garland, that's it, a garland. And then I had some pink lights. As you can see, I'm adding those on now, and I love it with the lights on. I think it looks super cute, and it just gives like a nice pink, almost like filter. So this is what it looks like, and guys, I really needed this push to do something for my dolls. It's been so long, and I really miss you guys. I have so much to update you on. So many things have changed in my life, and I will hopefully get to update you very soon on that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please go check out Erica's video. I'll have it linked below if I can. And I will see you guys very soon with another video.